Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yinye back again. So today I'm going to be baking something else for the first time. What I'm baking today is banana bread. I have not made banana bread before. This is my first time making banana bread. So without wasting much of our time, let's hop right into it. These are the ingredients we would need to make banana bread today. To the flour, we add the baking soda, cinnamon, and salt, and then we mix it. After mixing, you set the flour mix aside and get a clean bowl. To the clean bowl, you add butter and you add brown sugar. Then it's time to mix again. I mixed by hand, so it took me some time and there was a little bit of workout for my arm, but you mix, and then after that you add your eggs one at a time, mixing after adding each egg. And now after all that good mixing, it's time to add the mashed bananas. Yes, add every last bit of it and mix it. Then you also add the vanilla extract to the mix and also mix. The flour mix you kept to the side. Now is the time you would need it. You add it to the wet ingredients and mix it properly. Yes, careful so it doesn't spill. At this point, it's ready to go into the oven. So you grease your pan in preparation. I don't have the bread pan, so I'm using this 8x8 inch square pan. I greased it with butter already, and then I'm going to turn my batter into the pan. You have to grease it properly to aid the removal of what you're baking, bread or cake, whatever it is. But this is bread, so we turn it into the baking pan, and that's it. And then we bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 65 minutes. This is the bread ready and looking delicious. Can't wait to try it. We're back, guys. The vanilla bread is ready. After baking, I let it cool for some time, for a bit, and then it's time for us to try what we made. Fingers crossed, because at the point I was actually really scared that I was not going to like it. I don't know why, but let's see. Okay, this is what I have. Yes, this is what I have on my plate. I already cut it into little bits, so we're going to just try it. You guys, this is amazing. It tastes really nice. I'm speechless. I don't know, like, it's like so nice.
because there was a point I was like really scared I was not going to like it, but then it's like so nice. Like I love it. It's like moist, then sweet. Like banana is so sweet. Ooh. Gonna make it again sometime. But anyway, before I hop back into eating all of my banana bread, please guys don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this. See you guys in my next one. Bye.